Welcome, in front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. So if you want to change the language on your GARMIN Bounce 2 watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GARMIN Jr application, and in that application you can change the language on the watch basically. So if the devices are paired together, you can open the GARMIN Jr application on the phone that is paired with your watch. Then select the profile that is connected to your watch. In my case, it's this one. In the profile, tap on Settings. Scroll down and find the language option and then tap on it. And here we have the list of languages. Find the language you would like to use, select it, then go back, tap on the check mark to confirm. And as you can see, it says that after the next automatic sync, the language will be applied. But we can force sync the watch, so we can tap on Got It, then go to our watch, press the upper button to open the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings, then tap on Sync and Pair, and then tap on Sync. Wait until it's done syncing, and after that, hopefully the language should be applied. If not, you can try to sync it again basically. But as you can see, now the language is applied, so it is working, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.